Let's be real for a second. Most of us aren't broke because we don't make enough money. We're broke because we're leaking money through 1,000 tiny holes that we've been convinced are normal. We live in a world that is literally designed to part you from your paycheck as efficiently as possible. From the ads on your phone to the way the grocery store is laid out, everything is a trap. Today, I'm not here to talk about your morning latte. If a $5 coffee is the reason you can't buy a house, you have a much bigger problem. I want to talk about the real money pits, the things that cost you thousands of dollars over a lifetime and give you absolutely zero value in return. I'm talking about the stuff that keeps the middle class squeezed while the corporations get fatter. If you're ready to stop being a professional consumer and start being someone who actually keeps their wealth, let's get into the 7 things that are a complete, absolute waste of money in 2026.
Number 1, the new car obsession. Look, I get it. The smell of a new car is intoxicating. The tech is shiny. But the moment you drive that vehicle off the lot, you are literally lighting thousands of dollars on fire. In the US, we have been conditioned to think of a car payment as a permanent monthly bill, like electricity or water. It's not. It's a choice. Buying a brand new car on a 7-year loan at 7 or 8% interest is the fastest way to stay poor. You're paying interest on a depreciating asset. Think about how insane that is. You are paying the bank for the privilege of watching your money disappear. The wealthy move? Buy a 3 to 5-year-old car that has already taken that massive depreciation hit. Let someone else pay for that new car smell. You just take the reliability and the lower insurance premium.
The status subscription. We have entered the era of subscription creep. It started with Netflix, but now it's everything. Your gym, your software, your meal kits, your car's features, even your printer ink. Individually, they're just $15 a month. Collectively, they are a mortgage payment. The biggest waste isn't the subscription you use, it's the one you keep just in case. It's the premium LinkedIn you don't need, the 4K streaming plan for a TV that doesn't support it, and the apps you forgot you downloaded 3 years ago. If you want to see a magic trick, go through your bank statement and cancel everything that doesn't actively bring you joy or make you money. You'll suddenly find a couple of $100s a month you didn't know you had. Number 3, extended warranties and peace of mind insurance. This is a multi-billion-dollar industry built entirely on your fear. When you buy a laptop, a fridge, or a pair of headphones, and the salesperson asks if you want the protection plan, they aren't trying to help you. They're selling you a high-margin product that you will likely never use. Most of these warranties are designed with so much fine print that by the time something actually breaks, the claim is denied anyway. Instead of giving that money to a corporation, put it in your own repair fund. If the item breaks, you're your own insurance company. If it doesn't, you keep the money. The house always wins, so stop playing the house's game. Number 4, identity-based consumption. This one hits close to home for a lot of people. It's buying things not because you need them, but because you want people to think you're a certain type of person. It's the $120 organic yoga mat because you want to be a wellness person. It's the latest iPhone every year because you want to be tech-savvy. It's the designer labels that scream the brand name so everyone knows how much you spent. Real wealth is quiet. Insecurity is loud. When you buy things to impress people you don't even like, you're not just wasting money. Kamu lagi membuang kebebasan kamu. Every time you buy something to maintain an image, you're digging a deeper hole for your future self to climb out of. Stop buying your identity. Build it instead. Number 5, convenience fees and the lazy tax. We are the most pampered generation in history, and we are paying a massive premium for it. I'm talking about DoorDash, Uber Eats, and grocery delivery. I'm talking about buying pre-cut fruit that costs 4 times more than the whole fruit. I'm not saying you should never use these services. Time is money, I get it. But for many middle-class families, convenience has become a default setting rather than a luxury. When you spend $40 on a $15 McDonald's meal because of delivery fees, service fees, and tips, you aren't paying for food. You're paying a lazy tax. If you're struggling to save, you cannot afford to be this convenient. Get in the car, pick up the food, and save the $20. Number 6, unused lifestyle upgrades. This is the bigger house with the extra bedroom that stays empty 360 days a year. It's the high-end kitchen appliances for someone who only knows how to use a microwave. It's the boat that sits in the driveway, the RV that's gathering dust, or the expensive camera gear for a hobby you quit 2 months ago. We tend to buy for the life we wish we had, not the life we actually live. We pay for square footage we have to heat, cool, and clean, even though we only live in the kitchen and the bedroom. Stop paying for potential. Buy what you use. Live in a space that fits your daily reality, not your fantasy. High-interest consumer debt. I saved the worst for last. Credit card interest is a financial emergency. If you are carrying a balance at 22% or 25% interest while you have money in a savings account earning 4%, you are losing the game of math. There is no investment, no hack, and no side hustle that can consistently beat a 25% guaranteed loss. Paying interest on a pizza you ate 3 weeks ago or clothes you've already grown bored of is the ultimate waste. It is the definition of dead money. If you have credit card debt, that is your hair on fire. Put out the fire before you worry about anything else.
The bottom line, surviving the world today isn't about being a miser. It's about being intentional. Every dollar you stop wasting on these 7 things is a dollar that can go toward your freedom. It's a dollar that can go toward an investment, a business, or a memory that actually matters. The middle-class squeeze is real, but a lot of the pressure is coming from inside the house. When you stop bleeding money on things that don't add value to your life, you realize that you might actually be doing better than you thought.
Stop letting the world tell you what you need. Take your paycheck back. If this list hit a nerve, or if there's something you've stopped buying that changed your life, let me know in the comments. I read every single one of them. Let's help each other stop the leak. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.